Alright, so in this video, I wanted to talk through just an excerpt from my trading journal um, for this particular day, Monday, April 14th, 2025. But I also wanted to use it to explain how to trade daily bias. Um, one of the things, and this is pretty much, I'll try to make this video as quick as possible. Um, and it's simply, I would come to, and this is something I learned from Jade Cap, and you can check out his YouTube channel as well. I might link to it in the description. And pretty much, you come to your daily, and this is obviously trading view. You come to your daily time frame, and then you look at, what has the trend of the market been. Clearly, we've had multiple days of very strong bullish movement. So if you look at this was Wednesday previous week. This is Thursday previous week, and this is Friday previous week. So over the last 3 days, and remember to say we're looking at the Monday. Ignore this because I'm recording this at trading day for the next day already kicked off. So, but don't worry about that. So the point is, we've seen strong bullish days. One, so that's one of some sort of a confirmation that we're looking at a bullish daily bias. The other thing as well is that not only are we seeing these strong bullish days, consecutive days, what we're also seeing is that there is this buy side liquidity here. There's this liquidity pool that's resting above these equal highs here. So that means that price is trading towards, my interpretation of this is that price is trading towards this liquidity pool to take out whatever buy whatever buy side liquidity you have here. It's coming here to sort of raid that before it then decides whether it's going up or it's going down. That it's going to raid this does not mean it's going to continue going. It might raid it and then come back down, but the point is that we expect that price is going to come all the way up here, trade into this buy side liquidity, which is this our take profit target. I mean, and I'm going to talk about that shortly. But the point is, one, consecutive days of strong bullish movement. Two, there's a strong that there is a relative equal highs here with some with liquidity sitting above or resting above this place. So we expect price to trade into that before deciding to keep going up or start bleeding all the way down. So those are the two things I kind of looked at, and if I switch quickly to my journal for today, I hit the other field, but just focus on what matters here. So I came into the trade, you see, Monday, April 14th, and then what I saw was price has been showing strong bullish trend. I said that now. There is liquidity resting above relatively equal highs on the daily time frame. I explained that just now as well, where price is yet to trade into. So we're expecting price to trade into this area. So again, another confirmation of a strong bullish trend. Now I'm expecting price to trade into those highs before rejection or continuing higher. Price will determine what to do. This is my trade idea for the day. This is what I am like. This is my trade idea based on the daily bias and so on and so forth. And then the next thing I'm looking at here is this is this is the trade execution, and for the trade execution here I go to the lower time frame real quick. What I will do is try to see if I can quickly explain the trade I took here. So before I go all the way down, okay, let me just go to the 4 hour. excuse me excuse me so um, yeah, anyway, okay, you know what, let me just go 5 minutes and just show you the actual trade. So what I did here was, I mean, we expected that price was going to have a we expected the price was going to have a bullish trend like we already established just now. That's our expectation. So it doesn't matter what price is doing during the day, whether it's price is trading bearish, it doesn't matter. We're looking for every reason to trade a bullish trend. So what I did here was to then I think I came into the charts around this time. This was around I think I came into the charts around here. So I saw the price was already bleeding downward. Again, remember the fact that we have that price is trading lower does not mean we want to jump into the trade, because we already established our daily bias is bullish. So it doesn't matter what price is doing. We're looking for every reason to go long, or to go long. Now, as price came down all the way here, I noticed that price dipped into this area, and what you will notice is that there are some sell side liquidity resting above this, resting below this point. So when we saw price dig into this, I just confirmed to us that it was taking out that price. It was taking out the this sell side liquidity here, was trading into this, and this is some kind of this was clearly a raid, and once it did that, we expected the price was going to now start to rally up. But again, we were not going to jump into the trade immediately, dug into this, because we've been burnt several times. We're not looking for some kind of entry model to jump into this trade. So we waited for price to do its thing, traded up here, came back down, broke structure right here. Once market broke structure here, we then entered a trade, I think somewhere here to with this fair value gap right here. If you notice, there's a fair value gap here. So we broke structure right there, where we have that right there, and then we waited for price to create this fair value gap, and we entered our trade somewhere around here, and took the price. I think we came off at somewhere here at a 122. Now, what we also did was we were waiting for price because by this time price was already in the 10 a.m. New York time, which is silver bullet, ICT silver bullet. We then also opted to enter a second trade to try to capitalize on that. But that's not the idea for this video. What I wanted to show you was daily bias and how to trade it. So the first thing I said was, one, what have the last couple of days been? We're not trying to look for a whole month or a whole week. We're just looking for the past few days, and in the past few days we've seen strong bullish move upward. That's number one. Number two is that we saw that there was some relatively equal highs here, which confirms that there's some buy side liquidity up here, and price will be looking to trade into that. And that's kind of how we established the bullish bias for the day. And then we were looking for an opportunity to trade long, right? And that opportunity presented itself right here when price dug into this sell side liquidity to start trading upward, and we rode this wave up until somewhere here for a 122. So that's kind of how you trade daily bias, at least based on the things that I have learned, and I hope that this video is useful for somebody who is watching. I took another trade, again, like I was saying earlier about ICT silver bullet. I took another trade. I think that was somewhere here. I took another trade here, but price never really broke, and it took probably about, I don't know, maybe like an hour plus. To be honest, I just got tired. I should have left the trade and kind of set my stop loss and whatever, and profit target, but I didn't. I kind of came out of the trade, and eventually price, as you can see, traded all the way up here. What's going to happen is that price is yet to break that point. So we expect that now that it's come down here, it's another opportunity for the trade to go long. But again, that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video was to show you and talk to you about daily bias. I hope you're able to learn something from this, and I'll see you in the next one.